politicians get a bad rap, so do lawyers. So what happens when a Democrat politician with a law degree rants about the Supreme Court? Hilarity, it seems. Even liberals were face-bombing and laughing at Democrat Gov. Andrew Cuomo of New York after he demonstrated how clueless he is on how the Constitution works. On Tuesday, Cuomo went on a panicked tirade against President Donald Trump's recent nominee for the Supreme Court, Judge Brett Kavanaugh, fearing that a conservative-leaning court might overturn Roe v. Wade and, gasp, rule that unborn babies are human beings worthy of protecting. The New York liberal scrambled to sound tough during a rally in a rural part of the state. We now need to codify Roe v. Wade, which will actually increase the protections in New York. God forbid they do what they intend to do, Cuomo declared, according to the Washington Times. Yes, God forbid. I want to get it done before the Supreme Court does that because I don't want any gaps in a woman's right to protection, he continued. Then the liberal governor made one of the strangest declarations of the week. If he didn't get his way, he was going to sue the Supreme Court. Somehow, we have a better legal case when the Supreme Court acts because I will sue when the Supreme Court acts, he promised. Emphasis added. There's one glaring problem. The Supreme Court is the highest court in the land. It can reconsider past cases, as would happen if the justices decide to tackle the famous issue of state-funded abortions, but you cannot sue the Supreme Court. To paraphrase the popular saying, that's not how this works. That's not how any of this works. Social media pundits quickly mocked the unhinged liberal governor for his asinine statement. Did he really say that? Whom would he sue? And where would he find a court able to overrule the Supreme Court? Asked Brit Hume, the venerable Fox News analyst. Does anyone else want to point out the flaw in this plan? Posted Everett Will. Wait, you're going to sue the Supreme Court? That case could go all the way to the Supreme Court, commented Twitter user Harvey Barker, summarizing the absurdity of the statement. Amazingly, Cuomo has a law degree from Albany Law School and served as New York's Attorney General before being elected governor. A basic knowledge of the Constitution was apparently not part of that process. Somehow, we're not surprised.